Hello, dear boys and girls. How are you? Hope you are fine and staying home, staying safe. Today, I will conduct another virtual class for the student of class 4, Bangla version. Maybe this is not for only Bangla versions, for the students of class 4, mean Bangla version section A, section B, or also it may be helpful for the students of English version also. This is the time to fulfill my commitment. In my previous class, I told you that I will conduct a class with the model questions, of EFT, English for today. Okay, let's start our practicing model questions. In your question pattern, generally there are two passages. One is seen passage and the another is unseen passage. In seen passage section, there are 4 questions generally. One of the passages will be common from your textbook EFT, English for Today book. Today I will discuss a very most important passage, unit number 34. Unit number 34, and you can get help from your exercise book like the Advanced Learner English Grammar books, Chaudhary and Hossain. This is the model question number 32. Model question number 22. Please open the page number 263 and read through the passage, and we'll try to practice the question session. Questions, okay? Practice the questions for the exam preparation. I will read through the chapter, through the lessons, through the text, and we'll try to solve some questions within short time. You will have to do like me. Pause the video and take your grammar book, model number 32, page number 263, model number 22, page number 263, about SM Sultan. This passage has been added from the unit number 34, lesson number 1 and 2. Okay, let's start our text, reading our text. Today we will discuss about the famous painter of Bangladesh, SM Sultan. You know about SM Sultan? Okay, just listen. I am starting my reading. Okay. You have to take your textbook. SM Sultan is a famous painter of our country. Remember, SM Sultan is a famous painter of our country. He was born in Nodail in 1923. His family didn't have a lot of money. Remember, you have to concentrate with the text, because from this text, from the story, you have to find out all of questions answer, matching, answering question, true, false, writing short composition. From this same passage, we will have to answer 4 types of questions. Question number 1 is matching, okay, or find out the meaning of some words, and the question number 2 is true or false. If false, give the correct statement, and the question number 3 is give the answer of some particular questions, and the 4th question will be write a short compositions about this text. This may be SM Sultan, this may be another things, this may be month of the year from your text EFT. Okay, let's start. His family didn't have a lot of money. Sultan went to school only 5 years. After that, he joined work with his father. Then he went to work with his father. As a child, Sultan loved to draw. He drew a picture of buildings and other things. He wanted to study at Kolkata Art College, but his family didn't have the money. In 1938, he got the money and he went to Kolkata Art College. In 1938, he was able to admit in Kolkata Art College. He stayed there for 3 years, and then he left. He traveled around Asia and Europe and painted rivers, trees and villages and its people. Then he came back to Bangladesh. After traveling. He painted picture of the farmers and fishermen of Bangladesh. People around the world know about Sultan. We also. And his paintings. He exhibits his paintings along with the famous painters Pablo Picasso and Salvador Dali. Also the famous painters of the world. Our SM Sultan is also the world-class painters. Sultan loved children like you. Sultan loved children. He established Nandon Kanon and Shishu Sorgo for the children. Here they could get some education and learn painting. Besides educations, they can learn painting, how to paint picture. Every year there is a Sultan Mela in Norail for commemorating Asif Sultan, the greatest poet of Bangladesh. Greatest painter of Bangladesh. Greatest poet of Bangladesh, Kazi Nazrul Islam. Okay? And many more poets. But the greatest painters, Asif Sultan, Kamrul Hassan, Jainul Abedin. Okay? He died in 1994 in a hospital in Jashore. 1994. Okay, let's get into the question practice sessions according to our model question pattern. Okay, in question number 1, matching with column A and column B by searching the meaning, explanation of the word. Okay, first word is famous. Famous means remarkable. Okay, well known. And the word painter. Painter means who draw picture. And the next word is picture. Picture means picture. The outlooks of anything. Okay. And the next around. Around means surrounding to us. Okay. And the next exhibit. Exhibit means show something. Show something to somebody, to anybody with a formal way. This is related to painting. If I draw some paintings, I have to arrange an exhibition for showing these to the people. Let's start matching. Famous. Famous means image or reflection of anything. Famous means to bring a change. Famous means to show something. Famous means popular or known. Yes, we have found our correct answer. Famous means popular or well known or known. Okay, then the next, painter. Painter means image or reflection of anything. Painter means to bring a change. Painter means to show something. Painter means popular or known. Painter means around a place or thing. Painter means a person who paints picture. Yes, painter means a person who paints the picture. And the next is the picture. What is the picture? Yes, you have to search like this way. I think picture means image or reflection of anything. Image or reflection of anything. Picture means image or reflection of anything. Okay? And the next, around. Around means round a place or thing. Around means round or a place or things. Okay? Around means round a place of things. And the next is exhibit. What is exhibit? To show something. Yes, exhibit to show some things. There are 5 points and there are 7 points. We have to find the correct meaning of the word that have to match. Okay, finish. We have finished our question number 1 and we will get 1 into 5. We will get 2 into 5. We will get 2 into 5. That means 10 marks. And the next question will be in your examination, in your final exam, like that. True or false? If false, give the correct statement. We already have read the text about SM Sultan few minutes ago. So let's check up the statement. If it will be right, this is only true, we have to write down only true, but the statement will be wrong, we'll have to write the false and also correct answer beside the false statement. Okay, Assam Sultan was born in Norail. Is it right or wrong? Yes, we read in the text. We read in the text about this. This is correct. Only true. Need not to explain. And the question number B, he was born in a rich family. Rich family. If he might born in a rich family, why he didn't afford money to get admitted into the Kolkata Art College? So he is not born in a rich family. He was born in a, this statement is false, and the correct answer will be he was born in a poor family. He was born in a poor family. The next is he liked to draw picture. Yes, he is a painter, so he liked to draw picture. And the next is he lived in Kolkata for 4 years. 4 years. I have mentioned this time again and again. Okay, not 4 years. According to our text about Assam Sultan, he stayed in Kolkata Art College for 3 years. The correct statement will be, this statement is false. Correct statement will be, he stayed at Kolkata Art College for only 3 years. The next is Assam Sultan liked children. Yes, Assam Sultan liked children. This is statement in true. That's why he established Shishu Sorgo. Okay, Nandan Kanon for the children. Yes. The final is people know him for his songs. He is a singer. So he is a painter. People know him for his paintings. So this statement is false. The correct answer will be people know him for his painting. Okay, we have finished our discussion, and let's go to the next. When we will get 1 into 6, that means 6 mark, 10 mark, 6 mark, 16 mark has been done. The next question is answering questions. You have to answer 6 questions. Each and every question obtain 2 marks, so total marks will be 12. So very important for the exam, for getting good marks in the exam. Let's start. Who is Assam Sultan? Who is Assam Sultan? Easily we can say Assam Sultan is a painter, famous painter of Bangladesh. Assam Sultan is a famous painter of Bangladesh, or Assam Sultan was the famous painter of Bangladesh. Next, when he was born. When he was born? In 1923, maybe 1923. According to our text, you have to check the text and mention the age, mention the year of his born. Okay, his birth age, birth time. Check the text and write down his birth date. 1929, maybe 1923. Okay. The next question: where did he want to study? Where did he want to study? He want to study in Oxford, in Cambridge. No, he want to study in Kolkata Art College. He wanted to study in Kolkata Art College. This will be the answer. Question number D. Question number D. When did he get the money? He get the money in 1938. 1938. First time he didn't afford the money for get admission in Kolkata Art College according to our text. After some years, in 1938, he afford the money to get admitted in the Kolkata Art College. The next, what did he establish for children? Yes, he loved children very much. That's why he established Shishu Sorgo and Vidya Niketan for the children, where children get some education and learn how to paint, about paintings. Okay, this will be the answer according to our text. And the question number F is, where was Assam Sultan born? Where was Assam Sultan born? Assam Sultan was born in Dhaka, Chittagong, Rajshahi? No. Assam Sultan was born in Norail. Was born in Norail. Okay. we already have finished our question number 3. The question number 4 will be the combination of all questions answer. Okay. The question number 4 is, please write down a short composition about SM Sultan. That time you can write the answer of these questions by taking help from your text, the text lesson, okay, about SM Sultan, and you can arrange the answer of your 6 questions smartly, and this will be a paragraph or this will be a short composition, and we will get 10 marks in these questions. That's all my lesson. So easy. So not only read through the textbook, you will have to practice this kind of model question for making common in the examination, our upcoming final examination, yearly exam. Okay, thank you very much. I will conduct another class in question number 12. Is rearranging word to make sentence. Okay, this is a grammatical question, I think. Okay, thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.